Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of some of the branded goods that I bought over the 11th of November sale, also known as Singles Day 11/11. Alright, over here we have a box from Zalora. So for all of you guys who do not know, this is a online shopping place where you get delivery to a few countries in Asia. I actually bought one of this other goods separately, and I actually from the same website, and I actually unboxed it earlier because it came separately as I ordered it a bit later. One example is over here. I have here the Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. Alright, Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. So a bit of story about this. I bought it on the last day of the promotion. Alright, at a very affordable price, or worth it price. So this is a M size. Alright, Tommy Hilfiger, all real. Alright, I did an unboxing already earlier. It looks really dope. Alright, the color is a dark blue. It's not very shiny, something that is not too outstanding, alright, in a bad way, but this is a very good color in terms of the shade of blue, as well as the Tommy Hilfiger logo. It's not so outstanding that it will be too eye-catching. Alright, so for this particular shirt, alright, it is brand new. Alright, and I bought it for, let me do a quick calculation. So for Tommy Hilfiger from Zalora, you get a 45% discount on Singles Day. Alright, so actually I bought it for 41 US dollars, and multiply by 60, it is actually 25 US dollars. Alright, 25 US dollars for an original Tommy Hilfiger shirt that looks really dope. Alright, okay, so let me just put this to one side. This is one of the best buys that I've actually bought. So now we will do an unboxing of the rest of the items that I've obtained. See what kind of condition they are in. Alright, how do I do this? Okay, it's a rather big box, as you can see. Alright, I bought a couple of items and I'm really excited in unboxing and trying it out. Okay, so the good thing about Zalora is that they allow you to return the goods if they have size for you to exchange if the size is not correct. So basically, if the size is not correct, I think they give you about 14 days to return your goods, and they will actually allow you to get a refund, or a refund. So that would be very good, because some of this stuff when you buy online, especially jeans, it might not fit you very well. So the box is they give some bubble wraps here as well, okay, to protect your goods, although I'm not sure how much it will help protect, but it's a thought that counts. Alright, over here, what do we have over here? This is one of the buys that I really was looking forward to, and there were only, I think, about 2 pieces left. It is another Tommy Hilfiger apparel. Okay, what is this? Alright, it is a sportswear. Let me do a quick opening of this. Alright, original Tommy Hilfiger. Alright, as you can see, it's Hong Kong 1190, 1,000 Hong Kong dollars. Alright, with the original Tommy jeans logo, and then you can see it's also an M size. They will give you the exact size measurement. Alright, and you can see it's a pair of joggers. Alright, over here on the right hand side, when you put it on, it says Sports Tech, and on the left hand side, sorry, you will see the Tommy Hilfiger logos. Tommy Hilfiger 1985 world map in the Tommy Hilfiger logo colors. Tommy jeans, Sports Tech, Tommy jeans. Alright, so I will be trying this on later, alright, to see whether the length fits. It has one pocket here with the Tommy Jeans logo, okay, and two side pockets. Very, very nice. Alright, the material is very soft. Okay, it's, you know, some of these joggers, some things that I don't like about other joggers, for example, other brands, okay, other sports brands, is that I noticed for some of their joggers, somewhere around this line, right, somewhere around this area, they have a line over here, okay. I don't know, is it for the design or what, but when they have a line here, okay, for another brand, okay, I'll just name it outright, it's Nike, okay. I really like the design of the Nike joggers. I mean, I own a few pairs that doesn't have that line, okay, but some of the Nike joggers have that particular line over here. So why I do not like the line, right, for design purpose or whatnot, that particular line, when you wear that the jogger, you can actually feel the seam of the line, okay, on your thigh or on that particular part of your body, and it feels really uncomfortable when you're doing sports or you're just wearing something out casual, okay. So that is really uncomfortable, and I like that it's smooth. Alright, I like joggers that is completely smooth without any seams, any lines, nothing whatsoever. So this would be a perfect pair that I will be wearing out, okay. So how much is it in US dollars? Alright, let me bring out my quick calculator. Okay, for this pair, I also got a 45% discount from Tommy Hilfiger. Alright, I found that, you know, Tommy Hilfiger's clothing is really expensive without discount. Alright, but with the sale going on, when the next sale actually arrives and you see Tommy Hilfiger being on sales, I think you better get it. It's really worth it. Without sales, it is about $100 US for a pair of joggers. Alright, not cheap at all. But with the discount, if you multiply by about 60%, alright, or about 60%, or you know, actually it's a 45% discount, so let's be more exact, okay. Give me a second. You multiply by 55%, it's actually about $56 US, plus or minus $56 US for this. I think it's worth it, especially for Tommy Hilfiger. And of course, as we shown earlier, it can go with this. Perfect. Alright, this will be the perfect ideal setup together with my Nike Air Jordans, alright, which is sitting right over here. And also we'll have the try on. Over here we have the Tommy Hilfiger joggers, pair of joggers with all the logos here, as well as the Sports Tech logo here. Right, as you can see, it fits nicely, very comfortable, no seams. Over here we'll have the Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt with the Tommy Hilfiger mini logo here, and the main logo over here. Alright, the colors match really very well. Alright, yes, okay, I have another Tommy Hilfiger. This will be a t-shirt that we will not be unboxing because we will not be opening, because this is actually a gift for one of my friends. Alright, this. And other than Tommy Hilfiger, what I got is two Superdry t-shirts. Okay, two Superdry t-shirts. So for Superdry, for Zalora's 11/11 sale, they actually have a 40% discount if you buy 2 items. I think if you buy 4 items, you get another percentage of discount. I think more than 40%. I can't really remember the exact figure, but I know I wanted to buy two particular t-shirts. Okay, so for this t-shirt, I will not be taking out the cover also, because it is actually meant for my one of my close family members birthday. All right, it's a birthday gift for my family member. All right, so I've just showed you from the outside how it looks like, so that my family member can actually do the unboxing or the unwrapping experience for themselves. It is a Superdry Athletics Champions. All right, you get 40% on this this shirt, this polo t-shirt. It has 4 colors: blue, maroon, yellow, and dark green. So I like that it is not too flashy, in the sense that the colors are darker, so that you won't have 4 outstanding colors. I hope my family member enjoys it for his birthday. Okay. Next, we have another particular polo t-shirt from Superdry as well. Okay, this will be for myself, and so we can do the unwrapping. Right? I'll be careful not to take out the text, because we can actually do an exchange if the size is not correct. But if you look here, when I want to look at it, I know it is the correct size. Alright, what this particular piece of polo t-shirt, what actually stood out for me was this particular S sign. Alright, super dry. Okay, so basically this S sign reminded me of the so-called the football championships and all this jerseys and their jackets in the US and all that. So I found it very attractive, and also it kind of reminded me of Smallville, the TV series, Superman and all that. So I'm really into all that, and this really appealed to me. And so we have the Superdry logo here, made in India, M size as usual, and the color basically is dark green. Okay, not super duper flashy, although this probably is flashy, and the yellow accents. All right, I really like this. It gives it a bit of a very distinctive look. Over here, let's see what else you have on the design of the t-shirt or the polo shirt. Nothing here. And you have, okay, over here we have the Superdry polo t-shirt. Okay, over here you have the Superdry Athletic League Championships. Okay, alright, how do you think I'm rocking this attire, right? I don't know why some people like to do this to their collar. Should I do it too? Nah. Alright, what do you think of it? And there you have it. Alright, your Superdry polo t-shirt that looks like a football, one of those football clothes. We'll just put it here. Alright, so price wise, how much is this Superdry and the one that I'm giving away to my family member? In US dollars, it will be about 59 US dollars each. Okay, so it will be 117 for 2, but with the 40% discount, it will be $35 US per t-shirt. Okay, very affordable. So we'll put everything back in a box, and I will try it out later. This would be the Tommy Hilfiger for my friend as well. And then you have my favorite buy, probably one of my favorite buys from the 11/11 sale, and also the most expensive, the Tommy Hilfiger joggers. And lastly, very, very worth it buy as well, the Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. And there you have it, my unboxing video of these items that I purchased. Hopefully I won't have to return any of them, but judging from the condition they are in, it looks perfect. I didn't see any damages to it, but I will closely inspect it later for quality, and I'll try the size out to see that it fits perfectly, so that I don't have to have the hassle of doing any refunds or anything like that. And there you have it, the Zalora branded goods unboxing experience. Zalora. Oh, and also one more thing. I think I missed out the delivery dates as well as times. So I ordered it on Sunday. Okay, I ordered it on Sunday and it came to me today, which is a Wednesday. So it took about 2 to 3 days to deliver. Alright, 3 days. Yeah, I ordered it I think on Sunday night. Yeah, Sunday night, and it came on Wednesday morning. I still have a pair of Levi's jeans that has not arrived yet. Okay, I won't be doing an unboxing video of the Levi's jeans because it's just one product. Okay, but it was also very worth it. I think for Levi's jeans usually cost about USD 88 USD, but I got a good discount on it. Got it for about close to 50 USD or even lesser, 45% discount around there. So there you have it, your unboxing experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and support the channel. It will really do a lot of help. It's free. Please help support the channel. Subscribe. Thank you very much and see you next time.